You want to say it?
Speeding. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Skylar Diggins Smith of the WNBA's Dallas Wings.
And I'm Priscilla Ono, global makeup artist for Fenty Beauty. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get an easy look with the Fenty face using Matchsticks.
So it's a lot of things that I'm passionate about. Basketball is definitely part of what I do. It's not who I am. Getting into makeup and in the beauty realm is something that's a huge deal. Makeup is applied for me before the games, so it's important to have something that lasts you.
I'm going to start off with a Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I am going to follow it up with our Pro Filter Foundation, and Skylar is the color 320.
I try not to wear a lot of makeup that's distracting when I'm playing on the floor. You're obviously always getting photographed and on television and things like that.
What's like a definite you have to have on? Is it foundation?
A little foundation, lip gloss.
Gloss bomb.
Absolutely.
We are going to be using Pro Filter Concealer. I like to just dot the concealer like exactly where you need it. So now I'm going to brighten under your eyes, and I'm going to use 310.
Okay. I'm writing all this down.
It's all about Matchsticks this month. Matchsticks Madness. Do you have these in your gym bag?
Yes, I have like 3 of them.
They stick together.
Yeah, you never lose those.
I'm gonna take Mocha, and then I'm gonna just give you a little bit of warmth and a little bit of contour, and maybe just a little bit of definition.
I do a contour, but I need to work on my blend game.
Do you wear makeup when you go to practice?
At practice, I don't really wear a ton of makeup. Like I said, I always have my lip gloss around.
You always gotta have the gloss bomb in the bag.
I always have my gloss around for sure.
Speaking of easy makeup, we're continuing with Matchsticks. I'm going to go in with Yacht Life, which is one of our shimmer matchsticks. And this one has a little bit of like this pinky peach tone. So like kind of like a blush. And I just use the brush and I kind of like pick it up and then smile for me. The next step I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be taking Rum Matchsticks, and I'm gonna be using that as a highlight on all the high points of her face. Rum and Yacht Life together is like peanut butter and jelly. If you were wearing this on the court, if you were wearing this after for a press junket, you definitely don't want your makeup to move. So I'm gonna go in with Pro Filter Setting Powder. I'm using the color Cashew.
That goes with my skin. Like usually when I see powder, it's like
white.
Baby powder.
Yeah. The great thing about the Fenty Beauty translucent powders is they came out with 8 shades, and I want to brighten her eyes a little bit under there. So I'm going to be taking the Pro Filter powder in the color Banana.
Banana for under eyes.
For under eyes, yes.
For me, Cashew.
Cashew all over. And a little trick that I learned from Riri herself. I take the Invisimatte powder on top. Looks so smooth, and it helps them so they don't crease. We're going to be doing eyes, and we have to start off with Pro Filter eyeshadow primer. So it's always going to give you that really nice longevity. You just know that it's always going to stay on. So when I first met you, I remember you told me that you don't really do that much eyes, right?
I don't, and the reason why I don't is because I don't know how to do them myself.
All right, so today I'm gonna show you like a really easy way to do your eyes.
Okay.
And that's with Matchsticks. So I'm gonna take what I used for your highlight, Rum, and I'm gonna use it on your eyes too. I'm gonna take an all over eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna kind of blend this on your eyelid. So now I'm going to warm up the crease a little bit. I'm going to take the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of Cumin Get It, and I'm going to take that on the blending eyeshadow brush. You like that?
I like that. I like that name.
Cumin Get It? What type of eyeshadows do you usually go for?
I don't really stray too far away from like my skin tone, to be honest. So when I do my eyes, I try to keep it really simple and really close to my skin tone.
So now I'm just going to put Cumin Get It underneath your bottom lash line, just to warm up around your eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit of Rum
in the corners.
Yeah, to give a little pop.
Sometimes we go straight from practice to the airport to go to like away games, and sometimes I have to run errands right after. It's not really a lot of time for like reapplication.
And I think that's why Rihanna made these products so long wear, because she's the same way too.
Exactly.
It's good to know when we see you glammed up, we know what you're wearing.
Exactly.
So how did you get started with basketball?
I got started with basketball at a really young age. My father was really into basketball. My stepdad coached a team. He got into organized girls basketball. But we didn't have any girls teams to play against. So we just had to play against the guys. I had to be more crafty. You know, they're longer, they're athletic. I had to play against a lot of older players. Just whoever's around, you just play against. Then when I was 14, I got offered a scholarship to play at Notre Dame.
Wow, at 14.
At 14.
I don't even know if I want to continue doing makeup. Can we just hear more stories? So now I'm going to go back into the Moroccan Spice palette. I'm going to pick a little bit of Hennessy, and I'm going to apply that as eyeliner.
What do you guys think?
That was easy. That was an easy eye, right?
Yeah. Primer, lid, crease, a little bit under the eye, right on the line.
And that's it. We're going to finish off the look with the lip. And there's no, best part, there's no better easy, breezy look Now I'm gonna say that again. There's no better easy. The easiest lip that you could do is Gloss Bomb in the color Fenty Glow. It has tons of shea butter, so it's like super hydrating.
Oh, it smells really good. It smells really good. That really lasts. You don't have to keep reapplying over and over and over. Like, you put that on, it's gonna last you.
And that's it. That's our finished look. You ready to see it?
Yeah, let's see. Ooh, feel expensive.
Easy, but you still look expensive.
Yes, Priscilla. I don't feel like heavy.
It doesn't feel heavy at all.
Okay, where are we going next? Where are we going? Where are we about to go?
Let's go somewhere good.
Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you follow me on Instagram at SkyDig4.
And don't forget to follow Fenty Beauty at Fenty Beauty.
Peace.